Let's look at 3 steps to escape the rat race. Step number 1, cut back on expenses. Most people view financial freedom as an unreachable goal. They believe that in order to achieve financial freedom, they would have to win the lottery or come into a large sum of money. However, the truth is that financial freedom is attainable for anyone who is willing to make some sacrifices and cut back on their expenses. One of the biggest expenses for most people is their housing costs. If you want to escape the rat race, you need to be willing to downsize your home or move to a less expensive area. This will free up a significant amount of money each month that can be used to pay off debt or save for retirement. In addition, you need to be mindful of your other expenses, such as your transportation costs, food budget, and entertainment budget. By making small cuts in these areas, you can quickly start to see a difference in your bank balance. Most importantly, you need to remember that financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It will take time and effort to achieve, but it's definitely achievable if you're willing to put in the work. Step number 2, increase your income. If you're like most people, you probably feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of working to pay bills. But what if there was a way to break out of the rat race and achieve financial freedom? One important step to take is to increase your income. Why is this so important? Well, the more money you make, the more money you have available to save and invest. And as your savings and investments grow, so does your ability to eventually quit your day job and live off of passive income. But how do you go about increasing your income? Here are a few ideas. Negotiate a higher salary at your current job, start a side hustle, or invest in real estate. Before I move on to the last step, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 3, invest your money. If you want to achieve financial freedom, one of the most important things you can do is to invest your money. When you invest, you are putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow in value over time. This can help you build up your wealth and reach your financial goals more quickly. In addition, investing can help you protect your money from inflation. Over time, the prices of goods and services tend to go up. But if your investments are growing in value at the same rate or faster, your purchasing power will remain the same or even increase. This makes investing an important tool for preserving your standard of living over the long term. Finally, investing can provide you with a source of income in retirement. If you have a portfolio of high-quality investments, you can generate a steady stream of cash flow that can help support you during your retirement years. For all these reasons, investing is a key step to take if you want to escape the rat race and achieve financial freedom. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.